Now it's time to create our isEmpty method. So at the top of the header, before our getCSV method, we're going to start with public static function isEmpty. And we pass the value, by default null, and return empty value and exclamation mark is numeric. So that means obviously if it isn't numeric value, then return true, otherwise return false. This statement simply checks if the value is empty, which on many occasions it will be if you are using, let's say, even zero number, and we don't want this to be obviously considered to be empty if we pass in the zero number. So that's why we're checking if it isn't numerical value. So if you pass zero in this case, it will return false because it is numerical value, even though it may be considered by empty function as basically not having any value. But if we check also if it isn't numeric, obviously, then it's going to return false. So that's our isEmpty method. We can now close our helper as it's completed. One last thing we need to do is go back to our index.php and right at the top do require once, and we need to require our helper class. So it's going to be classes helper.php. Now if we save the file, go back to our browser, refresh the page to make sure everything's working fine. Now books, I'm going to select, let's say, title, price, category, and author. Click on download as CSV. Hey, it prompts to download. It's got our export.csv file name, which we've passed as a parameter. Now if we save OK, go to our downloads folder, open this file. I'm going to open it with OpenOffice. It's asking me what delimiter we've used. We didn't use comma, we've used tabs. As you can see, the preview straight away displays the way it's going to be displayed on within a spreadsheet. Now OK, and as you can see, it's exported all of the fields I've selected with all of the records from the database. So that's everything in this tutorial. Any questions, give us a shout.